Okay, so here's one for most of you out there. Have you ever been involved in an accident that wasn't your fault? Have you ever heard those words before? It's all over the news, all over the television, adverts, everything. The way in which it works is most of the time, if they can't prove whose fault it is, it will be deemed 50-50. That means you take responsibility as well as the other party. Even if it wasn't your fault and you haven't got any evidence, it's deemed 50-50. This is a dash cam. This means you have the evidence to submit to them, and if they can see on this it isn't your fault, they will fight your case and not accept responsibility for the accident that you're involved in. This is from a company called Senwow. There's a lot on the market, but with this one, I recommend getting one that is good quality and gives you very, very good sort of picture quality as well. So with this one, you get it here, and then in the box, you also get an adhesive pad, your mounting adapter, the charger, a USB stick so you can pop the micro SD card in, a USB cable as well, and also loads of other little bits and pieces, so loads of little different attachments as well. You then obviously get the usual quick start guide. So the thing that I've found with a lot of the ones you get from China, that sort of thing, the cheaper ones as I call them, is you don't get a very good quality in terms of the video. This is different. If you need evidence, you have to have good quality. If it's a hit and run, for example, you have to have their number plate. If you do not have their number plate, the video is useless. It's as good as having no video at all. So with this one, this will allow you to get their number plates and everything like that. So on the top, you'll see it's got the LED lights all around the outside, so it's great night vision camera. The quality on it itself is, as you can see, WDR Full HD 1080p. So that is really, really good quality, and that is Full HD quality, which means that you'll be able to see those number plates night or day, and that is the fantastic evidence that you need. You've also got this bit here, which is the speaker, so you can play it back, which means it's really, really good. On the side, you get a 32GB micro SD card included, and it isn't one of the cheaper ones either. It is a SanDisk Ultra one. So most other companies do not do that. So absolutely fantastic. On this side, you've then got an up button, down button, and another, I think it's a mode button on this side. On the bottom, you've got your microphone, a reset button, and then 2 Phillips screws. It's not meant to be open though, so do not open it. If you have any issues, contact Senwow and they will sort it all out for you. On the other side, you have your OK button. So that's for starting to record if you don't have it plugged in all the time and just have it on battery. Your mode button, so that switches between the photo button and video button. You've also got a lock button and then the on-off button. So you push and hold the on-off button and that's it then starting up, so Senwow. Once it's loaded up, you'll see just how sort of good the quality is on it. As you can see, it's really good, it's really clear, makes it really easy to see everything around you, number plates. The field of view is quite good as well, so you can see almost everything in front of you that you need to see. And as you can see, just as you drive along, it is not that bad. Back to the unit itself, it's a great item. It is on touchscreen, which is a bit of a shame. Touchscreen is pretty much on everything now, but they've sort of lacked on the touchscreen to make the camera quality the best it can be. It's got the night lights. As you can see, when I put it down, it sort of flicks on and flicks off, so it's trying to sort of sort itself out. When I pick it up, because it's quite bright, it then switches off automatically. If you want to start recording, you can click on OK, and then you'll see in the top right hand side it will then start counting up with the flashing indicator here. It's got a gyroscope in it as well, so that means you can essentially stop it from moving. If it moves left and right, it experiences a crash, that sort of thing. It will automatically start recording and lock the screen, so you don't have to worry about that. Other than that, it is a fantastic item. You get the SD card included for free, and the battery life on it is really good, even if it isn't plugged in. But I do recommend you do have it plugged in, so if you do have an accident, it can save that footage straight away.